हाय दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका लर्निंग टुगेदर चैनल पर, जहां हम एक साथ एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, सीखते हैं और अपने दिमाग को शार्प करते हैं। आज हम लेकर आए हैं कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग एनालॉजी रिडल्स। क्या आप सभी क्वेश्चंस का सही जवाब दे सकते हो? लेकिन ये बात याद रखो, कुछ क्वेश्चंस हम अनसॉल्व छोड़ेंगे ताकि आप उनका जवाब कमेंट्स में शेयर कर सको। तो रेडी हो अपना दिमाग चैलेंज करने और मेज करने के लिए? चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1. Tree is to leaf as flower is to. Is it A. petal, B. stem, C. root, or D. branch? The correct answer is A. petal. Question 2. Car is to drive as boat is to. Is it A. sail, B. float, C. row, or D. steer? The correct answer is A. sail. Question 3. Bird is to nest as bee is to. Is it A. hive, B. colony, C. swarm, D. garden? The correct answer is A. hive. Question 4. Light is to bright as dark is to. Is it A. dull, B. shiny, C. black, D. clear? The correct answer is A. dull. Question 5. Pen is to ink as pencil is to. Is it A. lead, B. graphite, C. carbon, D. paper? The correct answer is B. graphite. Question 6. Teeth are to mouth as foot is to. Is it A. toe, B. shoe, C. sock, or D. ankle? The correct answer is A. toe. Question 7. Teacher is to school as doctor is to. Is it A. hospital, B. clinic, C. office, or D. pharmacy? The correct answer is A. hospital. Question 8. Sugar is to sweet as lemon is to. Is it A. sour, B. bitter, C. salty, or D. spicy? The correct answer is A. sour. Question 9. Spider is to web as ant is to. Is it A. hill, B. nest, C. colony, or D. burrow? The correct answer is B. nest. Question 10. Knife is to cut as hammer is to. Is it A. pound, B. nail, C. build, or D. break? The correct answer is A. pound.